This week in chapel, we will continue to learn about the different types of leadership and what it means to be a Clairbourn scholar and leader with heart. But how do scholars and leaders with heart handle tough situations at school? Today, let's discuss bullying and how we do and do not treat others.
People all around the world suffer from bullying. But what does it really mean? Is it calling people names? Is it exclusion? Is it gossiping about people that you don't think are as good as you? The definition of bullying is when an individual or a group of people with more power repeatedly and intentionally cause hurt or harm to another person or group. Bullying is not only limited to face-to-face quarrels. There are many other forms of bullying, such as cyberbullying. Cyberbullying is done online through the use of social media and other products. One example is posting nude pictures to embarrass somebody else. One thing to note is that somebody's inappropriate use of online technology can bite back at themselves in the future, even if they are under an alias of username.
Many of you sitting down right now think that you have little to nothing to do with bullying. But think about it. Have you ever teased anyone a little too much? You may tease and get defensive when someone gets mad. You may even make an excuse of your teasing and say, "Oh, it was just a joke." You don't know what other people could be going through. Just because you are feeling fine doesn't mean others aren't taking it in the same way. If you find yourself thinking that the other person is being sensitive, you probably owe that person an apology. Our new mission statement is creating scholars and leaders with heart. If we all use our hearts to make good decisions, school will be a much better place to become a scholar.